Okay, so this is what's going to happen now. Hang on, let me duplicate my show. Are you kidding me, Gloria? All right, let's do this. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we just some housekeeping rules. Always make sure that your video and audio are on. Audio mute, but video on. All right, please rename yourself so that I know your names. Yet on that note about renaming yourself, let me go and take your attendance as well so that I know who's here. Alrighty, hang on. We have, who do we have today? Janishant is here, Elsa is here, Tammy is here, and that's not your name, right? Janishant, are you, how do I call you? Do I call you Kandapani or Raju, or how do I call you?
I call him Madhav.
Oh, but under your name, I don't see the word Madhav here. Okay, I saw it already. All right, okay, I've taken your attendance. Okay, guys, were you guys waiting very long? I know I came in 9 minutes late, but I'm really sorry about it, yeah? I'm not sure what doesn't happen again. All right, so always ask a question using the chat function. All right, I hope I'm not too bright. I'm trying to put some lights here. Too bright. Never mind. All right, and if you need to go to the toilet or anything, always ask using the chat function. Okay, guys? All right, let's move on. All right, so we are going to be doing 3 things today: editing, situational writing, and current affairs. All right, your editing in secondary school is going to be slightly different, so we're going to do this together. But these few questions that we're going to do now, it is not how your secondary school is going to be doing, or at least most of the time, all right? This is more like a refresher for you, okay? So let's start with this. Money is not the most important thing in life. Passion is what really matters most. Without passion, one will find that work is nothing but a boring routine. This was a point made by a naval officer. So I want another word for boring. Anybody can give me the answer? Yeah, you can unmute and tell because I want to go through this very quickly. No need to put it in the chat button. Just unmute and tell me. Another
D.
boring? Yes. My lessons are very interactive, so you have to tell me. Another word for boring?
D, mundane.
All right, mundane. Mundane is another word. All right, not normal, not regular, not general. Okay, let's second one. Can I have Elsa to do this? Thank you. Button is not working. Sorry. If I can change. All right, Elsa, can you do this for me?
D.
Sorry,
Is it D?
D, lucrative. No, another word for important, right? Oh, sorry, well paid. Another word for well paid. You said what was the answer? B. Did you say B or D?
D. D for dog.
Left a successful, I would say lucrative. B. All right, lucrative. All right, successful. So the answer is lucrative. 3, Tammy, 3. Janishan, 4. Direct collector. Tammy, unmute and tell me, darling.
D.
Thank you. Recollected, recall, not repressed, not restated, or not retraced. To repress means to pass your feelings down and not show them. To restate means to say it, explain again. To retrace means to retrace your steps. Okay. So recollect is recall. Number 4, Janishan. She learned 2 important things.
C.
Crucial. Dominant means extremely something that is taking a lot of force. Urgent means to do with time. Compulsory has got to do with permission and whether it is something that needs to be done. Important is crucial. So the answer is C. All right, let's do the next one. Oversee. Mother.
Is it B?
Operate, would you say handle a whole sheet? Operate a whole sheet. No, I prefer another word. Try. I understand where you're coming from because operate is this element of taking charge and playing with the thing, but this is the whole ship, so that no one knows and no one can know everything. So everybody must work with one another to oversee. All right, oversee, because everyone has to work hand in hand. All right, so that's quite easy. Oh, just something for you to highlight. This section is similar to the vocab close in primary school, but it's not tested anymore. This is just for revision. That's why I didn't get you to answer me and everything. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to do editing. All right. All right. So some people love durians and others find it disgusting. It's kind of funny how they spell disgusting, right? So this is a spelling error. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to do either grammatical or a spelling error. And guys, what I want to do with, I'm going to stop share just for a second to just let you know that because this is your first lesson for your Sec 1, I want to set the tone right. Because for English, like a lot of students are like, oh, English, what to study? I think I can pass. But I really, whatever levels you guys has gotten, AL 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, doesn't matter. What we want to do is, it doesn't matter what level you are at. What we need to do is to make sure that you get to be at a better level. All right, so it doesn't mean that if you're an AL3 now, you're very good, and if you're an AL5, you're very bad. No, you could be an AL5, but you could improve to become a 3. You could be an AL3 and no improvement and you stay there. So what is, to me, is important is not what your current level is, but whether you're willing to put in effort. So I'm more interested in your effort and your attitude. Is that okay? So to kickstart, what I will always do is I'll do a lot of time activities, and I'll do a lot of, we will actually mark things in class. It's okay to make mistakes. All right. It's okay, Tiny. So whatever, if anything, you will get better. All right. We're going to do a time thing, and I'm going to tell you how we're going to do it. All right. So this one, okay, can I get all of y'all? Do you all have a phone or a mobile phone or a tablet or anything that you can take a picture? All right. Can you see there is 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 11 and 12. So I want you guys to give yourself a target. Out of this 12, I want to get at least 8 out of 12. That's the target. And take your phone and I'll go screen by screen and I'll tell you what to do. Sorry, my mouse is acting up. All right, let's start with number 1. Can I get y'all to take a picture of this slide first? Take a picture. Mother, take a picture. Elsa, taking a picture. Mother, quick, darling. We're gonna move on.
No, I think it's like screenshot.
Perfect. All right, number 2. Slide 2. All right, and slide 3. Take a picture of slide 3. All right, I'm going to stop share for a moment. This is what you're going to do. All right, the time is now 7:59. I'm going to give you exactly 12 minutes. There's 12 questions. I'm giving you 12 minutes. I'm assuming you can do it by 10 minutes, but I'm giving you 12 minutes. Actually, maybe not 12. I'm going to give you 10 minutes. I'm going to give you 10 minutes. All right, and do not switch off your video, but you can have your audio off. Take a piece of paper and start editing it because I want you to write out the actual answers. After that, when I go through in class, we're going to do 2 things. You're going to mark it, and at the end of it, you're going to tell me what score you get. Okay, we're going to do this every lesson where we monitor how much we have scored. Are you okay? All right, so the time is now 7:59. At 8:10, I will come back, and I will not come back. I'm still here, sorry. But we will go through the answers. Okay, please keep your video on, and I will come and check. All right, and we will mark together. All right, start cracking. take a piece of paper and start writing the answers. Mother, if you did a screenshot and you want to do it on a computer, it's up to you, but I want all the answers so that you can mark it later. All right? All right, perfect. Elsa has done it as well. All right, so what I'm going to do is, since you guys are sec one, instead of me writing, I'm going to get you guys to write. Tammy, you know how to write on the answers, right? All right, so for today, I'm going to get you to do that. Let me share screen again.
So do I need to do everything?
No, I'll get you to do some.
Okay.
First screen, maybe you do 1, 2, there's 12, right? So each of y'all take 4. All right, Tammy, can you do 1, 2, 3, and 4 now? Can you write it for me? Oh, wait a minute. Instead of you doing 4, let me get each one of y'all so y'all can write. Okay, 1, Tammy, do it now on the screen. Tammy, can you tell them how to do it on the screen? Because I've got no idea how.
Like what devices are you using right now?
Sorry, what?
Like each of them, what devices are they using?
Can you tell Tammy what devices they are using?
A laptop. Okay, so for laptop, right, you'll see a green button and a black button on top of it. Like there's one say that you are viewing English 2 screen and view options. So you click the view options and you'll see the word annotate. So once you click on it, then you'll see a lot of things that you can write on. Yeah.
All right, don't worry, darling, because end of the day, we're all here to learn. All right, I don't know who's scribbling that, but never mind. Number 1, Tammy. Number 2, Janushan. Number 3, Madhav. And number 4, what? All right, can you write the answers there for me? Can we start writing? All of y'all right now, write it on the screen. Annotate it. Elsa is 4. Madhav is 3. Okay. 2 is Janushan. Janushan, can you do it? If you need help, please let us know because tech can be so frustrating. Janishan, do you need help? Unmute yourself, please. Janishan, we are waiting for you.
I cannot change the size of the text.
Okay, put your answer first. Let me see how big your text is coming. Elsa, are you able to annotate?
For the size of the text, you need to click format, and then at the bottom you'll see font, then you click the size of the font.
Yeah, I got a text wizard here. Okay.
Like 12, 14, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72. Where is the format button? First, you click format.
Elsa is correct. Madhav is correct. And Tammy is correct. The answers. Mark, guys, mark against on your paper because I'm going to get your. All right, Janishan, come on, darling. I need you to work on this faster, quick. We got 50 slides. We're only 11 slides. Are you able to put it in? Peculiar, correct. Good one as well. Try to see if you can bold your answers like Tammy, so it's a bit more. That's it. All right, can you take out your paper and mark whether you got all these answers? Delectable is correct. Peculiar is correct. And let me mark it. No, you know what? I will mark it here for you. Sorry, guys. Hey, what happened to delectable? It disappears, is it? Oh, all right, that's correct. Well done. All right, let's go to the next screen. Oh, the answers are here. How do I get rid of it?
Miss Gloria, you can clear our work.
How?
If not, we do ourselves, we clear it ourselves.
How do I clear it?
I'm not sure.